Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Pick Your Internet. I'm Chet Masterson. You may remember me, of course, from such TV classics as Billy Beakley, Teen Chiropractor, and My Dad the Sorcerer. Anyway, back to the show. When we last left our eligible customer, Francine, she was talking to these 3 internet service providers and trying to decide which one was the best fit for her. She still has a few more questions before she makes up her mind. Go ahead, Francine.
Okay, thanks, Chet. So, service provider number 1. How will you treat me if I'm your customer?
Hello, Earth service provider number 1.
Oh, what's that?
I said, how will you treat me if I'm your customer?
Oh, yeah. We'll do our thing, girl. We'll show up fast, treat you right, get you all set up, and then we're out of there.
Okay, but this isn't going to be one of those wham, bam, thank you, ma'am type of situations, is it? I mean, you'll come back to my house if I need help, won't you? Moving on then. Service provider number 3, same question.
What do we mean when we say words like treat and customer? These are just sounds that the human mouth has evolved to say over the millennia that we've attached meaning to. But perhaps they themselves are in fact meaningless. Just a random string of vowels and consonants.
What?
Whoa, slow down there, number 3. Maybe just try answering the lady's question and not deconstructing the fabric of reality.
I shall answer your query as such. I will treat you as one of many faceless and expendable beings that pay me substantial money for my satellite internet.
Okay, I guess.
We'll send you an impressive box full of advanced space-age technology for receiving internet. But keep in mind, you will have to install it and upkeep it yourself. We can't be bothered with such trivial matters.
Moving on then. Service provider number 2. Tell me, what does being a part of the local community mean to you?
Great question, Francine. It means everything to us. Here at YK, we're focused on taking care of our communities and providing the best internet service possible. We live in, work in, and support the communities that we serve, and we couldn't be more proud of that.
Oh, that's very nice. I like that. Service provider number 1, same question?
Oh, yeah, girl, you know how it is. My home is on my back. I don't like any of these clean customers trying to tie me down. I just like to keep things casual.
Okay, thanks for that non-answer. And service provider number 3?
I have a community of 8.3 billion. And a community of none. Life is such an existential quandary.
Okay, I just cannot with this guy.
Time to wrap up, Francine. How about a final question for the contestants?
All right. I guess to finish off, why should I choose you as my internet service provider? Provider number 1.
Oh, right. Why should you choose us? Well, firstly, our shirts are orange, which I think is pretty sick. So there's that. Our internet works. All right. And we treat every customer as if they were our very own family member, particularly our grandmas, because we mostly ignore you, but then might eventually show up if you call us enough times.
Right. And how about you, service provider number 3?
I guess he decided he had more important things to do.
That's a relief. And service provider number 2?
Well, I'll say this. Our commitment and longevity pretty much speaks for itself. YK strives to offer great internet service for homes and business in our service area with top-notch customer service. And that pretty much sums it up.
Well, Francine, you've heard what these fine gentlemen have to say. Who's going to be your internet service provider?
Well, Chet, I think the choice is obvious.
It sure is. I know I'm supposed to be impartial here, but lady, if you don't go with YK, you're nuts.
Shut up, Chet. I've got this. I choose YK.
Oh, that's lovely. Well, folks, that does it for us tonight. Be sure and join us next time for Pick Your Internet.
Oh, yeah. Girl, I see you. I'm swiping right on that all day.